Hi, this is my project. I just want to show how I got it to look the way it looks now. So first is the artboard. I didn't do the artboards in the same way that she did. I used the move tool and I right clicked there, went to the artboard tool, and then I kind of custom size my artboard. So I did it like kind of like this. I try to get it as closely to the size that I use as possible, which is with 3,300 by 4,200. So I do it like that, and then I kind of go back if I need to, and I kind of edit it like this. So it's um, better for me because that's the way I always do it. And if I need more, I just kind of keep adding, and so on and so forth. So I do have an original artboard that was created. It is for the second one. It's hidden. This is it right here. I'm just gonna delete those. So this is the original artboards that I had. I have the two artboards here. The next thing is moving an object. So I moved this over here so that I could, play with it and the placement and everything. The crop, I kind of cropped this image originally over here so you could see that it's only half of that. The frame tool is actually right down here. I used it to create like a tab. This is it. I touched it right there, and I don't want to mess with it because it took me a while to get it exactly where I wanted it to be. And this is my my fonts. I'm just gonna erase the close the second artboard so that it's like less distracting. Um, that's what I wanted to do. Here's the this is my this is the brush tool right here. I have I used the brush tool to make this stroke right there, and I edited it using this effect button right here, and I played with it till I got this bevel texture. Then I added my name because it felt like it was missing something, so I added my name to create some kind of balance here. And this is the title of my work. You can see here on the layer 5, this is my brush tool, and I have the bevel and emboss and inner shadow. That's how it looks like this, and I also made it gradients just like my background. This is the text of my name. Once I was done typing my name, I kind of rotated it to negative 90 degrees so I can have it facing this direction. This is the blur tool and the lasso tool. It came out like that after editing so much stuff on my work, but this was an accident, but I was trying to zoom it in so that you could see the blur right here. I did blur it a little bit. And the color story, I used those are my swatches right here. I used the eyedropper tool from this image to create this color story here. I did not add a stroke around because I didn't like the look of the stroke of the rectangles, so I kind of just left them without a stroke. And I fill in the colors using the images using the colors from these images here. After that, I have after that there is the font. I did change, as you can see, these are two different fonts. I was trying to make it look right, and I used the color. I changed the color of this font to this color so that it could stand out more and it could still be cohesive. The only thing left to do here is, yes, I did remove the stroke color, so that's why there is no stroke here. There's only a fill. And yeah, I think that's everything. So this is my project. This is the one of the 4 drafts. So this was the original, the way it looked. So, I could move stuff around here so that you could see. But this is my original project, and I changed it to this color palette because I preferred that one even better. So that's it.